some exercise that we are going to use. Okay? So, one question. Do you know what is a pencil, right? Okay. Pencil is soft or hard? Hard? Yes? Okay, yes, that's good because when you write, the pencil goes red. Okay? Because it's hard. So, can you tell me the materials of the pencil? Wood and graphite. That's good. Tell me. Oh, your pencil is, her pencil is flexible. That's good. Because it's not made, I guess it's not made to kill. It's not good. It's another type of material. But most of the pencils are made of wood. Okay? As you can see, everything we can see here is made of some materials. Like for example, can you tell me, Andy, the material of the air conditioner? Can you tell me what's the material of the air conditioner? What's the material of the air conditioner? Of this? What's the material of this? Plastic, of course. That's good. Okay, very good. Moroni, do you want to say something?
Electricity.
Okay, electricity.
But electricity is not a material.
Not exactly as a material.
Froze in
The air conditioner, yes? I mean, but the material of the, is the evaporator, that's the name of that thing. The material is plastic. Okay? Very good. Tell me, Andrea. Okay? Just tell me. Can you read this? Metal, that's right. It's made of metal too because it has some things inside that are made. It's metal and plastic. That's good. Tell me. Yes, tell me.
Is the material important in the air conditioner? Is the plastic? Is the metal?
Okay, yes, that's good. I agree. Lily.
It's plastic because the electricity is not touchable and the plastic is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's why electricity is not a material. Okay? Okay. We are going to continue. Tell me.
How do you say it?
Can you find it? Okay, it's fan.
Fan?
Yes. But remember, if you want to ask me something, you have to ask that question 3 times to 3 students, 3 different students.
Teacher, the
Okay?
air conditioner.
Uh-huh.
Can take the fan.
Yes. In fact, the evaporator that is that part of the air conditioner, it's a fan. That's a fan. It's a fan. It's a ventilator. Okay. So right now, I'm going to show you a video. Okay. Because I asked you what's the material of a pencil. So you are going to see briefly how pencils are made. Just look at this video. Okay? Look at the video, please.
Artists attempt to capture a view of the world on paper, a familiar tool is nearly always to hand: the Faber-Castell sketching pencil. Over 120 years ago, Vincent van Gogh praised Faber pencils. They're soft, and a better quality than carpenter's pencils, he wrote to a former fellow student. They give a splendid black, and are very agreeable for large studies. The material the leads are made from is found deep underground. It's graphite, a mineral discovered in the 16th century that consists of a crystalline carbon, like diamond, only very much softer.
Can you tell me what is that material, Lily? carbon, but in this case is graphite. That's right. Thank you. We continue.
The early pencil makers thought it was a lead ore. The chemists later put them right, but the name lead pencil survives to this day. Since the 19th century, the leads have been made from a mixture of graphite and clay. The soft graphite is what makes the marks on the paper. The hard clay provides strength and substance. Different proportions of the two produce the various grades of hardness for different applications. Water is added to the mixture, and the paste is then kneaded for an hour and a half.
Okay. Everyone can tell me what's the other material that is mixed with the graphite?
Water.
Water and, yes, it's correct. Water and, not exactly. Enrique? Adolfo? Eh? Calor, but it's a material. That is a type of energy. Eh? Clay, correct, clay. In a moment you are going to see what is clay. It's clay. I'm not going to say the word in Spanish, okay? But clay is correct. Continue, we continue.
The leads for color pencils are made largely from color pigments, plus kaolin and a binding agent. The clay graphite paste is extruded through a nozzle under very high pressure, roughly 10 tons per square centimeter. The leads are still soft and flexible at this stage. So first, they're dried for 3.5 hours in an electric oven at 120 degrees Celsius. A couple of paces further on, the leads for the colour pencils are extruded. They also go through the drying oven. To make the leads hard enough for use, the clay has to be fired for 45 minutes at about 1,000 degrees Celsius. Colour leads are spared this treatment. A high temperature will destroy the pigments. The wax bath gives the leads a silky surface. Now they're ready for writing and drawing.
Okay, we are going to start this video. Something very important. Okay, you saw the process of the manufacture. I mean, of the pencil, right? But the thing is here. Can you tell me what's the function of a pencil? What's the function of a pencil? Carlita? Right, exactly. Writing. Human creates things using materials to create what? What are those things? Color, what are these things? These things. I show you this dictionary, okay? This dictionary, it's a dictionary, but it's made of, I'm sorry? Paper, exactly. That's the material, but can you tell me the origin of the paper? Gerardo? Eh? Yes, correct. Just read. Say it loud, is correct. Can you repeat, please? Trees, exactly. Trees is the origin of these things. I want to show you another examples. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Pay attention to this example. We have here in this chart three important things. We have the objects, we have function, and we have material. For example, spoon is an object. The function is to eat food. That's the function of the spoon. What's the material? Steel. Another example, cloth or fabric. This is the cloth or fabric, this thing. Okay, what is the function? Read it aloud. Cover ourselves, exactly. The materials are cotton, wool, etc. They are orders. Okay, in groups, you are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects, 4 functions of the objects, and 4 materials. I'm going to give you for this 6 minutes in groups, please. Remember, don't talk in Spanish. You have 5 minutes. It's 12:59 at 1:15. Okay? Remember, if you have questions, ask first 3 students that question. Right? Yes. Write it in your notebook, please. Write it in your notebook. You can get 1 tablet. If you have no dictionary, you can get 1 tablet per team. 1 tablet per team. Okay? 1 tablet per team. You can use it. You can use it. Google. One thing, it's not necessary to write the lines, just do the columns and that's it. Don't use ruler, okay? Because you miss 5 minutes. 1:06 we finish the activity, okay? That's good. Remember, just 4 objects, of course, 4 functions and 4 materials. In Google Chrome, use Google Chrome to find minutes. But it's not necessary, eh? If you want to use iPad, the tablets, it's good, but if it's not necessary. Tablet. Let's give this tablet. You can use the dictionary too, eh? You can use the dictionary too. The object, door. An object. Door, chair. Of course, we have one. Welcome. Okay, we missed just 2 minutes. Those glasses were at the back. Use this. It's the only that you use. I have one tablet per team. Yes, I have 7 tablets outside. One minute. Remember that if you don't finish, you can do it at the end of the class. Okay, because time is running. Just we have 1 minute left. That's it. We have to go on. 4 objects. 4 objects, 4 functions, and 4 materials. Find the word? Okay, time is over. I need to listen some examples. No, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Then you can finish them in your house, maybe, or at the end of the class. Please, Suriel's team, can you tell me one example, please? One object, the corresponding function, and its corresponding material.
The computer.
The computer, that's the object.
Users in internet.
You can search in the internet.
Materials.
Correct, very good. Andrea? Correct, very good. Andrik? Chair, correct? this case is made of steel. Correct. Right here, Joanna, and then you, Melissa. Correct. Very good, Melisita.
And the material
Material.
in the internet say
Rubber. Exactly.
Yes.
Rubber. Exactly. That's the word. That's the word. Okay. We have to continue. Please stop with that activity. You have to pay attention to the next thing. Okay. Please stop. Please stop. Okay. What happened? Think and analyze this question because you are going to write the answer in your notebook. Check that you have this question here. What happened, if spoon, you use the spoon to eat. You use the spoon to eat. What happened if a spoon is made of clothes? Okay? Don't tell me the answer. I'm going to give you 2 minutes more. Discuss in the group and write the answer. What happened if a spoon, the object to eat, is made of clothes? What happened? What happened? I'm going to give you 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Write the answer and discuss. I repeat the question. What happened if a spoon, the object you use to eat, is made of clothes? What would happen? What would happen? Okay? If the material of a spoon is, is made of, if the spoon is made of cloth or fabric, what would happen? Just analyze, discuss in teams, and write the answer. I'm going to listen the answers per each team. You have 2 minutes. Tell me, you can use the tablet. Okay. Wow. What was the problem? Blood? Blood in the nose? It's normal. She had that problem. What's what? You have that problem too? To clean. Okay. To clean the nose? For the blood? 1 minute. It's not. No problem. I'm scared. Do you ask that question to 3 students? Okay. Is cloth or fabric? Cloth or fabric? Did you ask that question to the students? Okay. You don't have that in the internet? Can you repeat? Get wet. Get wet. Wet is W-E-T. Wet. Get wet. It's the opposite. That is drying. Get wet. Okay. Time is over. Time is over. As you can see, I'm using my cellular phone. team? I'm going to begin in this side, in the right side, Andrea. Do you have the answer? Okay, please, can you explain? No? Come on, you don't have it. Who wants to answer? Okay, Lluvia, and then you. Lluvia, can you tell us what happened if a spoon is made of cloth?
The spoon gets wet and when you remove the tissue.
Exactly. It's good. Moroni, thank you, Liliana. Moroni's team, who wants to answer the question?
No.
What happened if a spoon is made of cloth? Sorry?
You will food.
Exactly. The food will fall. Exactly. You will spill the food. Is correct. Especially liquids. Lily?
Easily break a jar if you get the wet, and it would be very difficult.
Can you repeat, please? Sorry. Can you repeat, please? Sorry.
Easily break a jar if you get the wet, and it would be very difficult to use.
Yes, of course. Imagine, just a spoon, it's going to be very flexible. It's going to be very difficult to eat with that thing. Who's going to answer? Yes, okay.
When we eat, the spoon can get wet and we can eat the food.
Correct. Of course. Another thing that wants to say? Diego? Of course. Imagine to clean the spoon. Imagine you are eating frijoles with a spoon made of cloth. Imagine it, frijoles or beans. It's the same. Or it's not the same. Yes. Imagine clean with your hands that spoon. It's going to be very, very difficult. Okay, that's very good. Pay attention to the presentation. There are two exercises. It's that question and the first chart. Then you can do it. Pay attention please to the presentation. Okay? You are going to help me with the presentation. Carlos, can you get a pencil please?
No, please.
Carlos, please help me with this. Help me with this. Yeah. You are going to click in the red face, please. And that's the only thing you are going to do. Pay attention to the presentation. Click, please. Do it once again. Okay, let me help you. Okay, what's the problem with this? That's it. It's just like a light touch. Okay, thank you. Can you read please another one? Lluvia, please.
What types of materials are there?
What types of materials are there? Can you tell me materials, please? Say loud materials, Divani. Plastic. Metal. Colors, but what type of material? Iron and steel are the same? Wood. Cement, exactly. Can you cloth, of course? Yes. Exactly. It's called canvas. And the windows, for example, what is the material of the windows? Glass. Continue, please. In the red face. Okay, you can do it. Excellent. Okay, Divani, sit down, please. Okay, Divani, stand up, please. Okay, as you can see, there are synthetic materials and natural materials. Okay, you have some materials there. What you are going to do, Divani, is you are going to drag them into the black square. Natural material, is that correct?
Yes.
Do the next. Plastic is synthetic.
No, it's product chemics.
Chemical products. Thank you. That's right. Very good. What is that?
I don't know.
What is the problem with this? Okay, put it there. Put it below. What is that?
It's a basura.
It's carton, but carton is natural or synthetic? Natural. And what is that? Gold.
It's paper.
But gold is natural. Gold is synthetic material.
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you something.
It's a mineral.
It's a mineral, yes, but you can find it. On here on some mine. So in my opinion, is natural. Okay? Yes, but let me tell you why Divani is right, why Divani is correct. Because when people extract or prospect the gold, they mix the gold with other materials, right? To get a better gold. Okay? Just release, continue. Click on the next. We're going to continue, right? In the face, in the red face.
What is this?
Change. Convert. What? Okay. Natural materials. Natural materials are divided in two parts. Organic and inorganic. Okay? So, can you help me please, Liliana, to read the organic properties?
Carbon is nothing, oxygen is nothing.
Okay. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Okay? Those are elements. Okay? The property of organic materials is that those objects or those materials have atoms of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Okay? That's the first property. Okay. Natural earth can reabsorb these materials easily. Give me an example of okay, Melissa, stand up please. Stand up. Please. Tiffany, thank you so much. Okay, Melissa, you are going to select the tools, please. The tools. Let's select this. The tools. And select the eraser. Select the eraser, please. Thank you. Okay, you are going to clean. You're going to erase the first point. She's going to discover, not just clean the eraser. Exactly. The first point. Okay. The first point. Okay, all the points. Those are organic materials. Wood, leather, and cotton. Do you know what is leather? Of animals. This thing of animals. This thing of animal. This thing. Okay, very good. That's good. Joanna, can you give me another example of organic material? Just think of a similar material. Okay, wait. Surien? No, that's not. But it's not organic. Organic. Okay, think it. Andrea, tell me. Think. Okay? Vegetables, exactly. Vegetables. Fruit, exactly. Okay, Michelle, please. Melissa, thank you. You participate in a moment. Can you stand up, please? If you give her the pen. This side, exactly. Thank you. Just clean. Just clean. Erase. That's good. Okay. Check the inorganic materials. Inorganic materials are very hard for the earth and soil, to absorb it. Like for example, stone, metals, ceramic. Give me more examples of inorganic materials. Andrea? Chemicals, yes, but what type of chemicals? Suriel, you said one. Inorganic. You said the fabuloso liquid. Moroni? Plastic. Plastic is an inorganic material, and the soil can't absorb that material. Okay? Divani? The rubber. The rubber made of petroleum. Okay? Because there is a natural rubber. That type of rubber, of course, it's an organic material. Okay? Can you please click on the red face, please? Thank you. Synthetic materials. Okay? Can you help me to read Diego? Diego, please. Okay, these are the two properties of plastic. Thermoplastic, do you know what is the meaning of thermo? What's the meaning of thermo? Okay, just say the container, right? Temperature. Thermo means temperature. Exactly. So those plastic just can, they are formed with high temperatures. And the other one is thermosetting that can resist the heat. Can you continue, please? Can you click the red face? Okay. So, look at the image. Can you tell me if that image contains objects from natural resources or synthetic man-made? Synthetic is correct. Okay. Click on the next page, please. Okay. And we have these properties. Okay. Can you select the pen, please? Select the pen. Thank you. Okay, sit down, please. Thank you so much. And Moroni is going to participate. Yes, the pencil. She selected the pencil. Thank you. Okay, Moroni. You have in the center, pay attention. You have in the center four properties of material. We have raw, we have process, we have manufactured, and we have synthetic. Okay, we are going to begin with synthetic. You are going to join with a line the correct definition of the concept of synthetic. Okay, synthetic correspond to materials in natural state, no. Artificial made, natural resources changed into a more useful form, or altered by process that change more than just the size and shape. What is the correct option for synthetic? Correct. Just draw a line, please, and circle it. Yes, it's red. Circle it. Yes, circle it. Circle the artificial made. Thank you. Lluvia, please. Stand up, please. Moroni, give her the pen or the pencil. Pay attention, Pay attention to that. Manufactured. We have 3. Altered by processes. Yes, it's correct. Manufactured, just write a line and circle it. Exactly. Altered by process that change more than just the size and shape. Andrea, please. The next process. Of course, natural resources changed into a more useful form. Correct. Okay, Fernanda, please. You can use white if you want it. Andrea, please. The next. Fair. Just a minute that way. It's correct. Andrea, the last one, please. Of course, and different color. Perfect. Okay, that's good. Carlos, can you help me with the next presentation, please, Carlos? Okay, we're going to finish. Okay, what you have to think is that the materials can be very different. Some materials are natural and some materials are synthetic, okay? And remember that you're going to use different materials for your project, okay? Continue, Charlie, please. Okay, thank you. We have some examples. We have wood, we have ceramic inorganic, that is an inorganic material. We have metals. Continue, please. Once again. Good. Exactly, once again. Okay, and the last exercise. Please, Arad, can you pass? These are some properties of material. Okay. Please clean the first. Thank you, Carlos. Mechanical. Okay. Mechanical property is how it reacts to force. For example, we have a page here. The mechanical property of this. What is this? Can you tell me something about the property of mechanical property? Tell me.
Flexible.
It's flexible, exactly. And tell me about this bag. Can you tell me about the mechanical property of this? Andrea? Flexible. Can you tell me the property of this material? Hard, exactly. Very good. Continue, please. The next, of course, sensory. What you can hear, what you can see, what you can smell, what you can feel, what you can taste. It's like, for example, you have to taste, smell. It doesn't smell good. Exactly, or this. You're not going to taste the bag, of course. I'm not going to taste it. But those, it's a property where you can prove it with your senses. Okay? How it looks. Check again. How it looks. What can you tell me using your vision? What can you tell me about the differences between these two materials? Julia?
With the colors.
Colors?
With the design the object.
Exactly. The use of the object. Oroni?
Flexible and no.
One is flexible and the other is not flexible. Lily?
One is big and one is
Small. Smaller. Okay? And Ivani?
The cellular one is hard, and the paper is flexible.
Exactly. Very good. Continue, please. Continue now. Okay. Thermal. Diego, you said that to me. How it reacts to heat. Can you explain what's about this property? Thermal property. Can you tell me Listen. Exactly. For example, we are going to compare these two materials, my cellular phone and the screen. What do you think is going to be harder? Harder, with more temperature. My cellular phone or the screen? The screen. Oh, it depends.
No, teacher, but the cellular phone.
No, but the screen is cold. This is cold.
Yeah.
And this is kind of hot.
We utilize more time than cellular phone.
Exactly. And can you tell me why is this hot? Can you tell me why?
Because when you use them, the cellular phones are
Working.
yes,
Uh-huh.
and the battery of the cellular phone
Is using what? Electricity. Can you tell me please? Exactly. The cellular phone is closed. It's closed. So it contains the heat. Okay. The next three please points. Yes, all the three. Chemical, how to react to other chemicals. Electrical, how it conducts electricity. And magnetic, how it reacts to a magnetic field. Okay, kids, do you have a question about this?
no.
Okay, yes or not? No? Okay, we are going to continue tomorrow with this topic. Okay, what I'm going to ask you is that you are going to finish these 2 pages. I gave 1 page per team because when we go to the classroom, we are going to get copies, okay, in the classroom. I go with you and I'm going to say to the teacher to get the copies, okay? So you are going to finish this because this is vocabulary. This page is this vocabulary, okay? So this page you are going to finish it, okay? This is the homework. No, in your house, okay? Because the class is over. We have to go and eat. What? No. We are going to get copies. When we go back to the classroom, we are going to get copies. For each one. No, for each one. One for each one. Because when we go back to the classroom, we are going to get copies in the copy machine. Yes. Okay?